ba? Ang top din.
Okay, what I'm gonna do today is this.
Trauma daw
It's
yun.
basically just bowling with Hello Kitty. Let's see if I'm gonna win. Fudge.
Dalawa. Tapos,
I only did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And only one. One survived.
ito naman ito yung isa.
Squid Game or something. Okay, you guys will try again. Yay, everyone died.
Out kasi yun, nakaulit yung dalawa. You will not be behave. I will put tape in your mouth. Ano, diba? Tape in mouth is mga ganon. Ang nangyari, ang nilaglag niya ito ni Lorena, hindi naman nagpupunta.
Okay, let's do this again.
Matanakot.
No, I only got one. The bowling ball went very far, so I had to pick it up with my long hair. No, I only got 3 and 3 was survived. How did the 10 even get in the back
Matagalan.
without knocking down the middle?
Ang sandali lang.
Okay, let's do this again. Ow! I wonder what's that from the
Salamat ang
bot,
ganon.
guys. No, I only got 2.
Nag-cellphone ako. Sabi ko, tapos ka na? Sabi ko, taba na tayo. Sabi ko,
Baliw talaga.
imbis na makikinig ako sa side niya.
Hanap.
Kami ng explanation. Ginanong ako.
Yes,
Salamat ang nalalaman ko.
Kasi sa'yo, humingi ako ng tawad. Sa kanya hindi ako
Okay, let's do this again.
Nag-cellphone ako.
Sabi ko naman. Hindi na mga, hindi ko kasi sa
I might collect these. Okay, bye everyone.
Gets ko yun. Sabi ko,
No, come on.
Hindi kasi ako gano'n sa akin. Or
Why is it not?
or magkaaway tayo, or hindi tayo magkaintindihan.